CNC Solutions here at East Tech, premiering the Chevalier EM2033L Machining Center. The Machining Center has a 20 horsepower main spindle, 40 taper with a 24 tool magazine. Comes standard with a coolant system, flushing system, auger system for chip removal. Has optional chip conveyor, fourth axis capabilities. Comes with a panic controller standard on the machine. Many standard options, many hard to suggest here. Machine's brought to you by Chevalier. It's been released to the United States. It's ready for machine shops, job shops, aerospace, automotive, wherever a high-quality machine is needed. Hi, the Chevalier EM2033 comes equipped with a well-designed, neat electrical cabinet with readily available components from here in the United States, easily obtained from lots of local distributors. The cabinet's well laid out. Comes with the FANUC servo units, main disconnect, all the necessary items to control this wonderful CNC. Has a meonite casting, well designed, very rigid. The machine weighs in at 12,700 pounds. Comes equipped with the standard coolant systems. Coolant tank is easily available with wheels to easily roll out from underneath for easy cleaning. Easily accessible panels to get into areas of the machine when you need to. Well built, beautifully designed machine. That's 3 seconds. We're back down in machining. From chip to chip is about 5 seconds. Then we have a maximum of 24 tools available to load into the tool magazine. Now we're going to index, we're going to come up and change over to another tool in about maybe 5 to 10 seconds. It'll be a tap. We have high-speed rigid tapping as available option and standard rigid tapping as a standard feature. Tool magazine is able to pre-stage tooling prior to the need to change a tool, so you don't have to wait for the tool to be called up at the end of the cycle. This is showing the rigid tapping feature. You can see the